Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today it's going to be a review and demo on the new Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration. So I got the palette right here, as well as other of the lines as well. I got the lipstick, the lip gloss, the highlighters. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and my thoughts and opinion on this palette, then keep on watching. Okay, so here we go. So I did this look with the Makeup Shayla Colourpop Collab, and I pretty much love this whole collaboration. It was inexpensive. I got everything, the whole collection, for $59. If you guys want to spend an extra $10, you can definitely get in the PR box, but I'm just gonna throw away the box. I didn't do that, so I just spent $59, which you get 3 lipsticks, you get 2 highlighters, you get a palette and a lip gloss. Like, you can't really beat that for $59. I got this whole collection a few days ago. I've been playing around with it. I went out on Saturday and I pretty much tried it on, so it's not really much of a first impressions because I already tried it and play around with it. I already used some of the lipsticks. So right now with the palette, it's very pigmented. When I did this eye look right here, it was very easy to blend, and this is $23. It is just gorgeous. You have a mirror right here, and the mirror is not cheap, guys. Like, the mirror is really pretty. I can see myself clearly. It's a nice size. You could definitely travel with this palette as well. The packaging of this palette is gorgeous. You have the rose gold splatter with black and purple. Purple is what Makeup Shayla's favorite color is. And when you look at the colors, when I opened this palette, I thought to myself, wow, these are gorgeous. Like, you know, I like what she did with everything. These 2 rows right here scream Sophie. This is something that I gravitate towards the most when I do my eyeshadow look. I'm very much an earth tone, warm colors type of girl. I like gold, I like rose gold. This color right here is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't know I was gonna fall in love with it. This is a beautiful rose gold color. Like, it's gorgeous. And then you have more of your smoky side right here, which I would definitely, if you guys want to see another video with me using this side of the palette, let me know and I will get that video out there for you. But this is really pretty, and I'm very impressed with the color selection that she used. I remember watching one of her videos that she said that when she used to work in MAC, she used to do a beautiful smoky eye with a nude lip. So I think she's paying homage to her MAC days when she did this eye. And then you have like the wearable everyday look for this one. So I'm very impressed with it. I love the mirror, I love everything. You get highlighters, you get 2, you get Pose, which is like a nice, you know, bronzy type color, and then you get Boomin', which is a nice gold, which I have on right now. It is very pretty and it lives up by its name, Booming. Definitely I will try it. I'm gonna try this and see how it looks on my skin. I'll probably just do another video using this one, but this will definitely look well with deeper tone skin tone thing, or if you mix the 2. That's what Makeup Shayla said that you can mix the 2. I will definitely use this as an eyeshadow and on my deeper skin tone client as well. It's gorgeous, really pretty. I absolutely love it. You got 3 lipsticks right here, and I never used Colourpop lipsticks before. I never ever used it. I like the feeling of it. It feels high-end. It's only $7, guys. So right now you get, ooh, this is, you know, Makeup Shayla's signature ooh when she does her makeup and she likes something. So this is like a nice coral color. I'm not a big fan of this type of color. I'm not an orange type of person with my lips at all, but you know, it's great for my kit. I could definitely try it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will definitely get that. I will eventually. We'll see. Then you have Come On Sis, and I am a mauve type of person. I've tried this before. It's a really pretty color. I like it. Like, I'm a mauve girl. I love mauve colors on the lip, but this one is my favorite, and this is Quickie, and this right here is like a classic nude, and I am wearing it on right now on the lips. It is really pretty. I think out of the 3, this is my favorite one. And then we have the lip gloss. It's a great topper. I have the lip gloss on right now. It has gold splits to it, and it's absolutely beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. Everything in this collection, I can't really complain about it. It's just pretty. It's just pretty. It's like everything that you want in a palette for me, they have it. Like everything that they have it. Have something for everyone in this palette, and she's really looking out for us sisters, so I really appreciate that as well. If you want to see how I got this look and the inspiration for this look, then keep on watching. I was looking at one of her pictures and stuff like that. I did do a smoky under eye before, but I'm like, who cares? I could do it again. It's my channel. I can do whatever I want. So this is the makeup look I saw her do. See if I could like zoom in on that. Yes, honey. So I'm gonna try to recreate that look, maybe, right? And she wrote down the colors that she put on her lids. So yeah, let's go. Let's get this popping. Okay, so I'm gonna start with priming my lids. I'm gonna take Colourpop's Golden. It's really light, and I'm gonna use this as a base. Okay, that was crazy. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and blend everything out. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I am going to take my Patrick Star powder and kind of set the my base or my concealer so I don't get any creasing, and so that when I do apply my eyeshadow, it gives me a nice smooth application. So I kind of just set it all the way to the brow bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna go take my Perception palette, and I am gonna go on, let's see what she wrote. I'm looking at the picture right now. Let's see. She went with Culture for the transitional. So Culture would be this color right here. Let me zoom in a little bit for the eyes so you guys can see what's going on here. Go in with Revenge, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna sweep it just a little bit underneath. It's a nice little brick color. So I'm gonna take the color Played Out, which is this color right here, and then I'm just gonna put it right on the crease, and then I'm just gonna deepen the corners a little bit, and I'm gonna tap some here, and then I'm gonna take it right in the, actually I'm gonna put it in the outer corner first. Sort of just work with the outer corners a little bit, and then kind of just drag it into the crease. And I'm gonna go right back in with Golden from Colourpop, the concealer, and I'm gonna start cutting the crease, honey. This is how it's looking like so far. Pretty. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna take Unbothered, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna work it in the outer corners of my eye and my inner corners of my eye. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm using this color, guys. It's so pretty. Ooh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to flip the brush over to the other side, and I'm going to go with Spill the Tea. Go back in with Played Out, and I'm just going to sweep in the excess product that I have into the eyeshadow and kind of just deepen the crease a little bit. I'm going to do the same with the other eye. So she had a wing liner in her picture, so I'll be right back. I'm going to wing out my eyes and I am going to put some lashes. So I'll be right back. I already wing out my eyes and I put some lashes. The lashes that I have is the double wispies from Ardell's, which is like my favorite lashes, and I pretty much did my face. I haven't really been into foundations lately, so I pretty much use the Pro Longwear concealer, and I pretty much use it as a foundation. So that's what I did right now. So I'm gonna go in with Colourpop's deep beige, and that's what I've been using to conceal under my eyes. So it's deep beige 45. So that's what I've been using, and it has like a nice peachy undertone to it, so it kind of helps with canceling out my dark circles. So I really love this concealer. And I'm gonna go in with my caramel from Maybelline, and I just love the yellow bit under. I just love the yellowness of it. I mean, I could leave it like this if I wanted to, but I'm not. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the yellow. Just makes everything great, you know what I mean? And then I'm just going to do this, and that's that for that. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup and I'm just going to set underneath my eye. Just set so I don't get creasing, because I get crazy creasing underneath my eye. And then I kind of just drag it into the nose area. Then whatever access I have, I just put it in my T-zones, because that's where I sweat the most. Now I'm going, since the picture she had like a smoke out blue underneath the eye, and I kind of did that look already. I'm going to still do it anyways, because whatever, that's what the picture has. I go in with 14, which is a really pretty blue, because in the picture she smoked it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I did too much. It's okay. But you can see, you can put a lot if you want. Oh, let's go for the lips. In the picture right here, she said that she used Quickie lipstick. I don't have I don't have BFF3 lip liner. I don't know why I didn't order it. Like, I don't know why, but I'm gonna use Quickie because that's a pretty color. And substitute for the lip liner that she used, I am going to use my Holy Grail lip liner, and that's Urban Cafe from NYX. So I'm just gonna line my lips with that. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with Quickie, which is like one of my favorite lipsticks of the line. So pretty. Now I'm going in with Need Free. This lip gloss is life to me. Like, this is the perfect topper, I feel like. I'm gonna take Bloomin' again, and I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye, just to add a little bit of a highlight, because I feel like it needs that. It kind of messed up right here. It's like bleeding out. So that's pretty much it. This is the entire look using the Makeup Shayla collection. I absolutely love this eye makeup. Like, this is like Sophie approved. Like, she did her thing with it, and I'm very impressed with the eyeshadow palette. The highlight is definitely booming, and Quickie, out of all 3 of the lipsticks, Quickie to me was my favorite out of all of them. Very, very pretty. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. The lip gloss to me, like, this is like gonna be my new topper. And you know how I feel about a gloss, everyone. Like, a gloss to me is just life to me. Like, I love to be a glossy mommy and I love to glow. So this is definitely a really pretty topper, a really pretty lip gloss that you could put on top of your favorite nude lipsticks. So I really, really appreciate this lip gloss. Like, this is one of my favorites out of the collection as well. If you guys haven't got your collection or all this, then definitely you have a chance to get it again on May 11th on the Colourpop website, and I'm very happy that I purchased it. So that's pretty much it with this makeup look. If you want to see another video with me using the palette, another makeup look or another eyeshadow look, especially if you want me to do more of a smoky using this side of the palette, let me know and I will get that video out there for you guys. So I'll see you guys in a few days with another video.